Hello parents and students. I'm going to make a quick video about my expectations and why I assign homework the way I do. So first of all, there's a large sign in my classroom that says this: homework. Practice at least 15 to 20 minutes every day after school. And of course I have my You Can Learn Anything. Some students may go home and say, I don't have any homework. Well, you do. And I'm going to show you exactly how to figure out what homework is right for you, because my whole purpose of this is to give everyone homework that is meaningful.
For example, if you click on your username and go to the learner home, you'll see your classes on the left. I call this sample class, Mr. Lipkovsky. So under the sample class, you'll see course mastery and assignments. Assignments, I want you to ignore this right now, because if you do them the other way, you'll also get progress through here. But if you click on course mastery, you'll see sample class. I have 7th grade as the course mastery with the due date of June 30th. If I click on, you'll see all the different topics we're working on. The one we're working on right now is negative numbers addition and subtraction. So you go ahead and click that.
Name of the exercises, so signs of sums, you have 80 out of 100 points. And that's what you want. I'll talk about the point system in a minute. Adding negative numbers, 80 out of 100 points. Missing numbers on the number line, 80 out of 100 points. So 80 out of 100 is what you want to get. Actually, ultimately, you want to get this, 100 out of 100, but we'll get to that in a second. 80 out of 100. Here we go, 50 out of 100. So this one is the first skill I need to work on. So if you ever want to understand the point system, this is Khan Academy. If you click on this little question mark here, Khan Academy's explanation, but I kind of made a simpler one. So 0 points, looking just like this, means no level. It means you haven't attempted the problems at all. If you scored less than 70% on a skill, you'll see this little orange square or diamond, also 0 points, but it means you've attempted it. So no level, haven't tried it. Attempted it means you scored less than 70%. Now, if you've gotten above 70% trying to practice that skill, you'll be put at familiar, 50 points. So above 70% is 50 points, and you're considered familiar with the topic, or skill, I should say. If you've gotten 100%, so let's say 7 out of 7, 5 out of 5, whatever number of questions you had to do on that skill, you'd go to proficient, which is 80 points, and that's why I said 80 points is what you want to look for. But ultimately, when you are proficient in all the skills, you should take the unit test, and answering correctly on the unit test gets you from 80 points to 100 points. All right. One thing worth mentioning is that you can also move down in points for answering incorrectly on a quiz or a unit test. So you have to be careful, do your best, make sure you answer things correctly, but that should make sense, because to prove that you've mastered something means that you can do it repeatedly over and over again. So back on sums, 80 out of 100, 80 out of 100, good, means I'm doing well, 100 out of 100 means I'm doing great, I got that one right on the unit test. 80 out of 100, number equations and number lines, 50 out of 100. I need to practice this. 80 out of 100. I took a quiz. I got 86% on it. I should take it again, try to get 100%. And here's the skill, adding and subtracting negative numbers. See that little dot right there, the little triangle? It's not triangle, it's a diamond or a square. That means I'm struggling in this, so I need to try that one again. 0 out of 100 points, I need to try that one again. 0 out of 100, try that again. 50 out of 100, try it again. All right, keep going down in the topic we're in, which currently is negative numbers addition and subtraction. Try to get 100%. Keep working, keep going. All right, do your best so you can find what skills are right for you. Remember, let's say you did great on equivalent expressions with negative numbers and variables, but somebody else didn't. Why should you be working on the same thing? It's okay to be working on different things in my class, different skills within the same topic. And ultimately, when you get all your 80 out of 100 points, you want to take the unit test and level up to master. I hope this video helped you understand. Thank you.